No, I don't need the trouble. I can't think straight, can't concentrate. Feels like I'm seeing double. You're on my mind, deep in my head. I think you're taking over me. Do you feel it now? What I told you about, do you feel it now? Knowing it won't make you choose, won't fold your boldest value. This love I'm not going on, still I swear that I'm up for you. Runs in our blood for better good, and I know why you're beside me. I can feel it now, what you told me about, I can feel it now. I will keep going. While blood keeps on flowing. Knowing, no, not today. I wouldn't wish for trouble. I cannot see that I feel afraid, let it all fall and ruin and rubble. This love we will not growing old, and I can see that changing. Oh, do you feel it now? What I told you about, do you feel it now?
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another productive day in my life. Today I have a big old to-do list. I need to do a lot of schoolwork. I have a test, I have to run some errands, and all of the works. So yes, that is what's up. It's currently 6:20 now, so I'm going to get out of my lovely comfy bed, put some workout clothes on, and do a leg workout today. I just feel like doing one from Instagram. I'm gonna try it out. Never done this one or this girl. Yeah, I find a lot of my Instagram workouts just from scrolling on the explore page and then seeing what comes up. So yeah. That was such a trek. It seems that my dad had taken all my weights, so I had to go to the garage and get them all. So now we can start.
Definitely talk to Mr. Marco and I, just to be fair, we were very receptive.
So it's 8:55, which means my test just opened. So I'm gonna take that. It is a finance test, and I've been studying. Oh, I need my water. As I was saying, I've been studying pretty hard for it, so hopefully it goes well. But me and math, it's really hit or miss. Some days I'm on it, I'm getting every question right and it's so good, and then other days I literally can't do it for the life of me. So you guys just put out a good vibe in the universe that this is gonna go amazing, because I took a test yesterday and it went awful. So here we go, starting the day with a bang. Excuse me, with a finance test. By the way, I kind of did my makeup during my rests in between my workout. I can't say I've done that before, so yeah. Let's take this test. Do I have blueberry in my teeth? Yes. Okay, I'm procrastinating. This is just the reality of online college, is that I'm just currently literally vlogging as a test is happening. So here we go. It's 10:10 and I just finished my test. I really took my time on it, so I'm glad that's over. Now I'm going to do my hair because if you guys know me, I just can't stand having gross hair. And then we will see what I do next. I think I'm going to edit a video. I straightened my hair and honestly it just looks like fried and dead, but that's all we're going to do to it today. It's 10:50. I'm just editing a video now. I'm going to edit and upload it hopefully now, and then I'm sure by the time I'm done all of that it'll be close to lunch. But yeah, isn't it crazy the difference just doing your hair makes? Like, I feel so much better. But yeah, I'm just gonna edit this. And yeah, but like the sun is booming in my window right now, so it's kind of nice because I'm just like tanning, but not at all.
Until like nobody was watching, but it's so hard to get to you, because when you see the sun.
12:30, my video is exporting. I just did the thumbnail. Now I have another class in 5 minutes. I'm hungry, so hopefully it's not super long. It's a workshop, so it's usually like an hour. So I'll just go on for what I feel is necessary, and then, because it's optional, you don't have to attend, but it's always good to, like, you know, attend these things. And then I'll make some lunch. And yeah, but it's been a busy, productive morning. I was on my call, and honestly, this workshop never helped me, so I just got off of it. But I'm gonna go make some lunch. I'm so hungry.
Maybe one day we can break the distance.
It's 2 now. I had my lunch, and I just cleaned up the kitchen. I did some dishes, but now I'm nice and bloated. Love that for me. But I'm going to continue doing some schoolwork. I have some articles to read, and I'm gonna take a quiz, and then yeah, that should be good. Alrighty, so I just finished my work. It's 3. Luckily that only took an hour. I was supposed to take a quiz, but she forgot to upload it today. So that kind of worked out for me, but I'm gonna go on a walk because it's super sunny and I need to go run an errand, which is picking up my dry cleaning. I have a cardigan that I need to pick up, so I figure I might as well use this time to go for a walk while I'm at it. So I'm just gonna bring my backpack to throw my cardigan in when it's done. But yeah, I just threw on my tan suede bands because I'm really into them recently. So yeah, let us go. Alrighty, I'm back from my walk. I'm going to try the kombucha I got yesterday. See how it is because it's 5 and I'm a bit snacky, but like we're gonna eat dinner soon. Guys, I always do this where I think rose says rosé. It's rose kombucha, not rosé. It's still good though. But it's very much so rose.
I don't care. I have eyebrows.
She doesn't care, guys. She's got eyebrows. But Mom's making enchiladas. I'm so excited. We haven't had them in so long.
In a throwaway pan, so we don't have to clean.
Should be interesting though because we didn't actually use the enchilada sauce.
We've done this before.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we have.
Well, then I wasn't here and you're just assuming that I'm with you at all times, like usual.
We usually are.
Well, I wasn't here for that because I would not let you only use that. But it's gonna be spicy, so good for me.
Oh, I made 3 for Dad.
I know. I was kind of wondering what you were doing there. But we're really excited. Oh, she's snacking. We just finished our enchiladas and they were so good. They're a little spicy for Mom, but
No, they were good.
don't lie, they were spicy. It's 6:30. I feel like it's about 8:30. Mom's making the coffee. And we're gonna watch a Christmas movie. And then Mom's actually here on a Thursday, so we're gonna watch the Kardashians. Yay!
It's a riveting evening.
It's really exciting. And yeah, that's it. I never ended the video. that was my productive day in my life. As you can tell throughout it, I think it's so important to balance your days. You can be super productive and have a lot of time to relax and do the things you love. Like for me, I like walking and watching YouTube. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you want to see from me, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next one.